Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I am here with a simple mathematical question. 4 divided by 1 by 2. It is looking simple, but some students will make a mistake. They do in the way that 4 divided by 1 by 2, 2 and 4 are cancelled. So 2 will be their answer, but it is wrong. We will apply here KCF rule. K mean keep it, so 4 is kept itself. Change this one. This is division, so it will be converted. It will be changed into multiplication. And flip it. Flip mean it will be inverted. We will take its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 will become 2 after flipping. So 4 and 2 are now multiplied and it will become 8, which will be our answer. Thank you.